Hi, my name's Brian Burns.
And I'm Diane, his wife.
We serve at Cares Home. I've been the director there for a number of years. I want to give you a brief update. We had a resident come in February of this year, and some highlights from her time. She became a Christian while she was there, and we actually were able to get her baptized, involved in a church. She was there for 5 months and was just recently reunited with her family. So she's back there. She will begin probably her 11th year of school this year. So if you'd pray for IW, that would be great. We recently got our second resident last week, and so she's settling in. We're delighted to have her there. So we've had a good time with our staff. We love being at Cares Home. We want to invite you to join us for our gala coming up September 17th. There's information about that at the bottom of the newsletter. It's our major fundraising event of the year, so we'd love to have you come. There's also some information about lamplighters there if you're interested in that. So thank you for praying for us. Thank you for partnering with us in what God's doing at Cares Home.